So let us study about the scales of temperature. Scales of temperatures. There are the three scales of temperature. First one, Celsius scale. Second one, Fahrenheit scale. And third one, Kelvin scale. So we are going to study these temperature scales one by one. The first scale, that is Celsius scale. Second one, Fahrenheit scale. And the third one, that is Kelvin scale. Now see, in the Celsius scale, or we can say that on the Celsius scale, ice point. So let us consider the ice point. Ice point here and the steam point here. So in the Celsius scale, ice point, that is the melting point of pure ice, it is marked as 0 degrees Celsius. So here we mark the ice point at 0 degrees Celsius. Second point, you have to remember here that on the Celsius scale, the steam point, that is the boiling point of water, is marked as 100 degrees Celsius. So steam point is marked as 100 degrees Celsius. The interval between these two reference points is divided into 100 equal parts. So between the steam point and ice point, between these two reference points, the intervals are divided into 100 equal parts. Each division on the Celsius scale, it is called 1 degree Celsius. So this point you have to remember regarding the Celsius scale. Now the second type of scale, that is called the Fahrenheit scale. So in the case of Fahrenheit scale, first point you have to remember here that in the case of Fahrenheit scale, on the Fahrenheit scale, ice point is marked as 32 degree Fahrenheit. So ice point is marked as 32 degree Fahrenheit. And on the Fahrenheit scale, the steam point is marked as 212 degree Fahrenheit. And the interval between these 2 points are divided into 180 equal parts. So the interval between this steam point and ice point are divided into 180 equal parts, and each division on the Fahrenheit scale is called as degree Fahrenheit. So these things you have to remember regarding the Fahrenheit scale. The third scale is Kelvin scale. So you have to remember here that on the Kelvin scale, the ice point is marked as 273.15 Kelvin, and the steam point is marked as 373.15 Kelvin, and the interval between these two reference points, or the interval between these 2 points, are divided into hundreds intervals. So steam point and ice point, between these two reference points, the intervals between these 2 points are divided into 100 equal parts. So these are the 3 different scales which are used to measure the temperature. You have to remember here. Now let us study about the relationship between different scale of this temperature. I can explain this with the help of one graph here. Now here this graph shows, this is the graph between the Celsius temperature versus the Fahrenheit temperature, and the graph between the Celsius temperature versus the Fahrenheit temperature is a straight line, and the equation of this straight line, it is given as Tf minus 32 upon 180, which is equal to Tc minus 0 minus 0 upon 100 upon 100. So this is the equation of this straight line, which is given by Tf minus 32 upon 180 equal to Tc minus 0 upon 100. So by using these equations, we can find the conversion factor between the Fahrenheit scale and the Celsius scale. So the one more thing you have to remember that we can write this as Tf minus 32 upon 180 equal to Tc minus 0 upon 100. For the Kelvin scale, we can write here Tk minus 273.15 upon 100. So by using these relations, we can find the conversion factor. You have to remember this equation here. So using this relation, we can find the conversion factor between the three scales. These things you have to remember here. So this is all about the relation between the different scales of temperature. Now we will study the next article